Severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Lafayette County in south-central Wisconsin, Greene County in south-central Wisconsin, southwestern Rock County in south-central Wisconsin until 3:15 p.m. At 2:26 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Monticello to near Apple River, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
Why did they issue a new one?
Impact expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Oh, they reissued it.
Include Monroe, Broadhead, New Glarus, Monticello, Argyle, Riva, South Wayne, Browntown, Gratiot, Judah, Avon, Jordan Center, and Woodford. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.